We've been creating videos for 15 years and we now have over 1,100 videos on YouTube. So we want to do something to thank our YouTube viewers like you. We're hosting a giveaway here on Automation Direct's YouTube channel for our loyal viewers starting December the 21st, 2019 that will run until January the 21st, 2020. We will be giving away 2 prizes. The first place winner will receive a complete PLC HMI starter bundle, which includes a Productivity 1000 starter kit like this and a Seymour micro touch panel like this one with a Stride 8-port industrial Ethernet switch like this. This will give you everything you need for a complete automation control system. Our second place winner will receive one of our awesome self-adjusting cut and strip tools and a Wera driver bit set with a ratchet. Now, these tools are both outstanding and definitely a great addition to your toolkit. Listen up, because here is the important information you need to know. You must be over 18 to enter and you must live in the United States. Sorry, these are the rules. We don't ship products outside of the U.S. To enter the complete automation control system contest, we ask that you leave us a comment to this video down below and let us know what you would use the Productivity 1000 PLC for if you won. Will you use it on a new machine or replace an older PLC that's on an existing system? Will you use it on a hobby project? If you have no clue what a Productivity 1000 or PLC is, then you probably don't need it or want it. You must leave a comment to be eligible for an entry in the contest. You get a bonus point for subscribing to our Automation Direct YouTube channel. On January the 21st, 2020, we'll select the first and second place winners and contact you through your YouTube account. Make sure your email is linked to your account. Again, make sure you comment below with what you would use the Productivity 1000 PLC on. Subscribe to our channel and share our videos with all of your coworkers and friends. Be sure to check out our video search tool to quickly find the videos you need. Official contest rules are below in the descriptions. Thank you for watching, good luck, and have a great day.